Welcome back to 12 Days of Tella. We are at day 10 and we are days away from Christmas. And unfortunately, we're really scraping the barrel now. Today we're launching Trash. The Trash feature means that if you delete a video and then you think, shit, actually I needed that video, you can restore it yourself instead of having to call us on support, which is what you would have had to do in the past. So to access Trash, scroll down to the bottom of your playlist lists, bottom of your playlists, and then you'll find it here. In Trash is a list of all the videos that you've deleted in the past 30 days. Videos that you deleted more than 30 days ago, those will be permanently deleted automatically. But in the meantime, you can head to your Trash and restore any videos that you might have deleted by accident or you realize you wanted to use again later. So this is a video that I actually just shared with the team and I still want them to access it, so I can hit restore and then that will restore the video to my main library for everyone to access. If you want to permanently delete a video, then you can just push delete now. You'll get this confirmation and then you can permanently delete it here. If you want to delete a bunch of videos at the same time or restore a bunch of videos at the same time, then you can use the multi-select tool and then use the toolbar down here to restore or delete a bunch of videos at once. That is the Trash feature live today for everybody. See you tomorrow for day 11 of 12 Days of Tella. Bye for now.